Let's be honest. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've felt it. That sting in your gut when she talks to you like you're her little brother. That weird silence after you voice your opinion and she just doesn't care. Or the worst one, when she laughs at your ambition like it's a joke. Not with you, at you. Let me guess. You've done everything right. You were kind, respectful, available. You listened to her feelings, responded to her texts fast, made her your priority and thought, wow, I'm really showing her I care. And guess what? She still pulled back. She still rolled her eyes when you spoke. She still lost attraction. And now you are over here wondering, why doesn't she respect me? That's what we're going to unpack today. Brutally, directly, with zero fluff like always. Because the truth is, you've been lied to. You've been brainwashed to think being a good guy is the key to keeping a woman's respect. But in reality, being a nice guy is exactly what's making her lose it. We're going to break this down from every angle. Psychology, biology, real-world examples, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it's happening to you, how to fix it, and how to make sure it never happens again. Smash the like button for your boy if you're tired of being the guy women walk all over. It helps us reach more people just like you. And a quick pause, real talk. If your style sucks, she definitely isn't respecting you. You could be a dang genius, but if your sunglasses make you look like a lost substitute teacher, it's game over. That's why Navi Eyewear is today's sponsor. They're clean, high-end, built like luxury shades without the stupid crazy markup. Right now you can buy one pair and get 4 free with free shipping. The link's in the description. You add all 5 to your cart, any pairs, the discount applies automatically at checkout. And if you lose them, Navi replaces them, no questions asked. You won't find this type of deal anywhere. All right, let's get back to it because the first hard truth is this. Women don't respect men who aren't respected by other men. You can smell it on a guy when he walks in the room and nobody looks up, nobody reacts, nobody listens when he speaks. Women pick up on that instantly. They are biologically wired to detect status, strength, competence, presence. Other men treat you like a joke, she will too. You ever see the guy who suddenly gets attention from women after he gets a promotion, starts leading a team, or just gets ripped and starts walking like he owns the room? It's not because he became hotter overnight. It's because he started being respected by men. Fixing her respect starts by earning his. That means getting your money right. That means setting boundaries. That means having a backbone and being willing to walk away from disrespect, from mediocrity, from situations that insult your value. Women don't respect men who won't leave. Let me say that again. Women don't respect men who won't walk away. If every time she disrespects you, you stay. If every time she raises her voice, you back down. If every time she flirts with other guys, you get jealous instead of done. She knows she's got you wrapped around her finger, and nothing kills attraction faster than predictability and desperation. You want her to respect you? Be the guy who could leave. Be the guy who won't tolerate nonsense. She might get mad in the moment, but deep down she'll feel something else. Respect. And then there's the issue of verbal authority. Listen, most of you sound like you're asking for permission every time you speak. Your voice rises at the end of a sentence like it's a question. You pause after everything like you're waiting for approval. You throw in sorry and just and maybe every 3 words. You sound like a dang intern trying to survive his first Monday. You don't need to yell. You don't need to act tough. You just need to speak with conviction. Say it, own it, move on it. You don't need to explain your opinion. You don't need her agreement to validate it. You are not her emotional sponge. You are a man with a direction. Say what you mean. Which brings us to this. If you don't lead, she'll either leave or worse, she'll try to lead you. And guess what? She hates leading you. She might do it because she doesn't want the ship to crash, but she'll resent it. She'll lose attraction for you because the moment she has to guide you, she stops seeing you as the man. Leadership doesn't mean control. It means vision. It means knowing where you are going emotionally, financially, spiritually, and inviting her to follow your path, not being dragged onto hers. If she's driving the whole relationship and you are just a dude holding the map and saying, whatever you want, babe, she's not respecting you. She's babysitting you. And trust me, no woman wants to bang the guy she has to babysit. Now, another reason women don't respect you, you are too available. Yeah, I said it. You're too freaking available. She knows she can text you at 2 p.m. and you'll reply at 2:01. She knows she can cancel plans last minute and you'll just say, no worries. She knows she can go 3 days without hitting you up, and the minute she does, you'll hit her back with a 500-word paragraph and a Spotify playlist that you created over those 3 days. Let me be blunt. Respect requires uncertainty, not games, not manipulation. But you being busy, you having a life, you having goals that don't revolve around her, because when you treat her like she's the center of your universe, she starts to wander. If I'm in his world, what does that make him? Your job isn't to orbit her. It's to build a universe so dang magnetic she wants to be a part of it. Now here's another harsh truth. She sees right through your nice. The problem isn't that you're kind. The problem is you are strategically kind. You are not being kind because you're a good man. You're being kind because you want something back in return. Her affection, her approval, her body. She senses the manipulation behind the politeness. Real kindness is strong. It comes with boundaries. It's not rooted in fear. The second you bend over backwards for someone who's not reciprocating effort, you teach them one thing. You don't value yourself. And if you don't, why the heck should she? Now let's get into your image. And yeah, we're circling back to that because women are visual, but not in the way you think. It's not about looking like a male model. It's about looking like you give a damn, like you take care of yourself, like you've got pride in your appearance, your grooming, your shoes, your eyewear, Navi eyewear. Again, links in the description. Anyway, if you're still wearing high school gym shorts and that same faded hoodie from 2016, what message are you sending? Hey, I peaked at 19 and gave up. Respect starts in the mirror. So start dressing like the man you want to be, because the real you, she's watching that guy, not the one you are pretending to be to get her. And look, This last one might sting. You don't respect yourself. That's the core. You accept low standards. You chase validation. You break your own rules. You say you're gonna get in shape, and you don't. You say you're gonna level up financially, and you waste 5 hours a day scrolling TikTok. You say you're gonna walk away from that girl who disrespects you, but you stay. That's the problem. Women mirror what you project. So if she doesn't respect you, that's your signal to evolve, to grow a spine, to start demanding more from you and less from her. Fixing this isn't about learning tactics. It's about becoming the man who doesn't need to demand respect, because it naturally follows him. So start now. Put your phone down, go hit the gym, stop responding to her flaky texts. Look in the mirror and ask, would I follow this guy? If the answer is no, start changing it. Not for her, for you. Because when you respect yourself, the world, including her, has no choice but to follow. Until next time, peace.